Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you very much for listening to this YouTube channel. So today, no, our index bounced back, no, after two consecutive day of decline, no. Uh, so bargain hunting push our market higher up 45.54 points or 0.66% to close at 6,909.45, no. So as you know, there's a new COVID variant that entered our country, no. Of course, as you know, hindi na bago sa atin yan. It's not new, no. Eventually, kahit isara mo yung border, no, even if you close our borders, this COVID, no, will just mutate, no. So there's nothing, you cannot stop COVID by shutting down our borders, no. So what we can do right now is to increase the vaccination drive, no. At least mag-immune, no. Yung mga mag-immune na tayo, no, from a pandemic mindset maging endemic, no. We need to live with the virus, we need to learn how to live with the virus, no. So sayang, no. Anyway, that's expected, no. Uh, Late na nga yan, no? I think it's the same variant that devastated China. Well, what's good about the Philippines is we're not testing, eh. So of course, if we're not testing, then there's nothing to report, no? Wala magpa-positive dyan if we're not testing our no, yung mga may sakit dyan, no? What we are doing right now is if you are sick, uh, probably we stay at home, no? Pero with few days to go before our national election, talagang todo campaign yan, no? I just hope na there's no one, or at least tuloy-tuloy yung election natin, no? Matuloy, no? Pangit, eh, no? There might be an issue if there's a failure of election, no? Baka pangit tingnan, no? It's very bad for our market if there's a failure of election, no? With few days to go, no? People are campaigning hard talaga right now. Today, no, sa Rockwell, there's BBM and Lenny supporters, no? And makita mo na that the security team is having a hard time controlling both crowd, eh, no? Of course, the point there is to invade Rockwell, which is owned by the Lopez family, na. Tapos syempre naman lakas ng loob naman, no, ng BBM supporters that they'll 'di ba? I don't think na they have a good intention in doing that. They know naman that Rockwell is owned by the Lopez family. Tas talagang dapat sa Century Mall na lang sila, no? Talagang they want there to ano lang, no, wearing red shirts, no? Syempre the Pinks, no? The supporters of Lenny Robredo, no? Nag-all out rin kaya nagsigawan doon. Talagang ano 'yun, public ano 'yun, no? Talagang bawal kasi 'yun, eh, no? Kung shop lang, eh, pero talagang gustong gumawa ng gulo, no? Anyway, trading was still very thin, no? Net value turnover is around 5.09 billion, which is way below pa rin, no, from the year-to-date average of around 6.8 billion, no. Foreigners were net sellers with net outflows amounting to around 772 million pesos, no. Uh, with few days to go, no, there's nothing we can do right now but to wait. Prof, okay ba to buy our index now, no? Ganyan, no? Uh, it really depends. So if you're a short term, long term, or what, no? It depends on your risk appetite. But if you have cost averaging might be one solution to that, no? I'm cautiously optimistic. That's the right term, eh, no? I'm optimistic about the market recovery, but let's wait and see mode, no? There's a famous saying nga, no? Sell in May and go away, no? Market, no, is generally weak during the month of May, June, no? Tapos probably overspill na yan in July and August, tas ghost month na naman. Historically, it's the third and fourth quarter, these quarters are yung malakas, no? Those quarters are good for equities. Spillover, no? First quarter. There's what we call Santa Claus rally. That's why sabi ko nga, if we will break 7,500, ginawa na yun nung it already happened dapat. Pero uh, uh, hirap yung market at that time, no? Eventually, 7.5, ilang beses na untog doon, no? And the market fell, no? So, on a bigger picture, our market is just trading sideways with a big trading range of around 6.5 to probably 7.5, no? No? So, pag umakyat ng 7.5 yan, medyo lighten up, no? Unless, of course, nag-iba yung situation. I'm expecting sana good corporate earnings will lift our index higher nung first quarter, pero hindi talaga kinaya. We need these foreign investors to return, no? And the only way, no, they will return if we will have some credit upgrade, no? Right now, we are very our market, no, our debt to GDP ratio is above 60%. Once it hits 70%, uh, baka mag-downgrade tayo and the cost of borrowing will be much higher. Kaya this is also why sabi ko nga, we need someone who will lead us out from this situation, no? Di pwede unity, unity, unity lang. If ganun ka simple-minded, no, walang mangyayari sa market. I'm telling you, the market, we will have a hard time trading this market, no? Uh, this is also the reason why I'm pushing for Lenny Robredo. At least, uh, she has a platform, no? She knows what to do, no? She's I think there are some industries na that might be affected under her presidency, but overall, mas okay na, no? And foreign investors are prefer Lenny Robredo, no? So mas mabilis kumita, I'm telling you, no? Anyway, welcome to another lecture session, no? So I'll be returning to my previous work, no? So it's I used to work as a stockbroker and fund manager, but I'm now teaching full time, no? But I'll be returning to my previous employer na it's just taking time, no? Daming requirements, no? Nakailang interviews rin, NBI clearance, credit check, ganun, no? Same with electing our president, no? Dapat no, Bongbong Marcos, no? Dapat nagpapakita yan sa interview, no? Tapos we're just electing someone who's a tax evader. Hirap talaga sa atin. Anyway, if you have any questions, so feel free to post them in my YouTube channel. No? I'll be uploading first. I'll be uploading this to my other channel, no? Chinoy Diary. No? I need to uh, catch up with the subscribers muna. No? Establish uh, track record muna. No? But I'll be separating kasi, no? This channel dapat yung Chinoy Diary is supposed to be my food and travel vlog, but I need the subscribers to go up rin. No? So please subscribe, no? Tapos I'll be using the other channel for PSE related topics, but let's see, no? So pasensya na, no? If I'll be using the Chinoy Diary. But if you have any questions, so feel free to post them. I'll try to answer pa rin, no? And please share this to your friends and family. No? In this channel, we don't speculate. We anticipate, no? So anyway, no? The big news right now is, of course, SM, no? The shareholders, no, gave allowed SM its for the strategic bid for renewable energy investments, no? So shareholders of SM approved the company's acquisition of Philippine Geothermal Production Company. This is in line with SM's strong commitment to sustainability and promoting renewable energy in the Philippines. I'm not surprised here, no? Sabi ko nga, renewable energy is the new sexy right now, no? Geothermal, solar, no? Everyone's shifting to that, no? Not just in the Philippines but globally, no? So let's see, no? There hindi sister company, no? But I think they own some shares rin in APC, which currently is under restructuring. So let's monitor. They own that geothermal also. So of course, SM can just acquire that, or they can restructure it. SM can also lease the renewable uh, energy projects. No? So let's monitor. Uh, On other news, no, AGI reported their net income last year at 23.8 billion, which is double than 2020s. No, this is because of the reopening of the economy towards the latter part of the year. No, consolidated revenues is also up 18% year on year to 152.6 billion pesos. No, definitely AGI is undervalued, but like what I said, no, there's what we call conglomerate discount. No, if you look at the book value, uh, di ba? It's undervalued. But let's monitor, no, if once they list Emperador in SGX, no, that might uh, unlock AGI's value kasi kailangan rin nila magbenta ng shares there. They need to sell some shares, no, for that. So SM, no, aside from that, opening play, renewables, no, they're also optimistic about the outlook for business with the revival in the economic activity. Everyone's going out right now, no? There's no one stop. Di ba? I don't think we can afford another lockdown na right now. Duterte is about to uh, end his term, no, by June. So I'm just hoping for a smooth transition, no? Peaceful election. Atlas, no? Atlas reported a strong net income of around 1.22 billion uh, last quarter, no, which is way higher than the 420 million they reported first quarter of last year. This is because of higher production and higher metal prices, no? So, you know, it's owned by the Ramos family. SM has a minority stake here. Liquidity is one of the issues na kaya I don't like this stock. But I just hope the Ramos family, no, exits Atlas na and just sell everything to SM. No, that's possible. No, SM has a minority stake, or SM could increase their stake in Atlas. No, that's very possible right now. ASEN, no, they also clarified that they have not set any capital commitment for the entire 18 gigawatt, no. Uh, so because there's a news article kasi that mentioned that ASEN already sets a 900 billion capital for this massive renewable energy pipeline, no. Uh, like what I said, no, in my past videos, they're targeting 5,000 megawatt by 2025. So by 20, definitely they will reach that, no. So next year 2023, they will recalibrate, no, their roadmap. They're already looking at 2030. So definitely like what I said, no, renewable is the new sexy right now. They can just give any number. 18 gigawatt is 18,000 megawatt, no, which is way bigger than the 10 gigawatt of Leandro Leviste. But that's possible, no. This is Ayala, no. They have the money, no. Last year they were able to raise 51 billion, 50 billion pesos from their stock rise, follow-on offering, and green bonds, no. So definitely, with the backing of Aran, they can 900 billion, no, uh, for this ambitious 18 gigawatt is very possible, no. So anyway, no, ASEN has budgeted around 55 billion for capex this year. So laki, 900 billion, no, that's very big. GSMI, no, they declared special and regular cash dividend, no. So this is also the reason. It's one of the best performing stocks the past 5 years, no. Low liquidity, but it outperformed the whole market, no. Uh, Ramon Ang also, I think, no, will be producing rubbing alcohol na, no. So from alcoholic drinks, no, talagang ano na, because of this pandemic, no, there's a need, no. So people are buying alcohol, no. A rate, no, which is after that big block, no, drop, no, yesterday, no. So Ali sold around 87 370,000 shares, 87,370,000 shares of A rate at a transaction price of 39.7, which is equivalent to around 3.47 billion, no? This is with regards to the property for share swap transaction with A rate, no? You know, we already discussed that na we're anticipating that property for share swap, no? So, so please attend religiously, no? PXP, no, which owns that uh, service contract 57 ba yun? The one in Palawan, no? So there's nothing going on here, no? It's a what we call na low risk high reward, no? But as long as there's no operation here, as long as China, no, uh, is there, no, PXP will not go up, no. It's very controversial, eh. Once you start drilling that, uh, you might trigger that relationship with China. You don't want that, no. Ang daming investment here. Uh, Yesterday nga, there's a report that a Chinese group, no, bought that property sa Macapagal for 50 billion pesos, no. Used to be Uniwide, no. So PXP will only go up, no, if there's a development that that drilling will start, no. But you need to get an approval from China rin, no. Of course, China, no, they're okay with joint venture basta we surrender our rights in that area. Yun yung problem, no. So their first quarter, they reported first quarter net loss at 1.4 million, no. So from a 5.6 million net loss last year first quarter, no. At least sumiit. Yun lang yun, no. It's a problem. Vita, no, which is into poultry, no, they posted a record uh, r- pero wala dito na yan. They exited corporate restructuring, no, few years ago, but wala, eh, no. Poultry, mag-Bounty Fresh na lang ako, di ba? BPI, no, uh, BPI is also hiking their technology spending by 51%, no. So they, even without a digital banking license, no, they will compete with other digital banks out there, no. So yun nga, GCash is our first unicorn here, no. It's already being valued by what, no, 100 billion, no. They don't have a digital banking license, pero di naman nila need, eh. It's just a platform and they collect fees from that, and look where they are now, di ba? DNL, no, owned by the Lau family, no, by Alvin Lau. Congratulations, no. DNL Polymer and Colors, no, receive an approval from PEZA for upgrading its manufacturing of new specialty high-end polymer and color compounds project to pioneer status, no. Sayang, no, but once market recovers, no, we will take a look. DNL is worth taking a look at, no, in terms of price, PE. Pero right now, it's the whole market, no? So, wala. Hirap. Hirap talaga yung market, no? Anyway, no? I hope you're okay with what's going on, no? Please support this new channel, no? So, our passcode for today is subscribe now, no? Subscribe now to this YouTube channel natin na bago, no? I plan to put my food and travel vlog here, no, once, ayun nga, travel resumes, no? Wala, eh, pangit ang market. Blueberry. Hi Cesar. Ito si Prof, no. Ay, si Hi Cesar. We are here supporting your, ano, yun nga, yung siopaw niya. Thank you, no. WM, Ronnie Hartwell, siopaw Charshu. Ricardo Atiliano, Gaming Central, no. Anyway, no, most of the stocks, no, bounce today, even Espinek, no, but konting tiis na lang, no. I'm just praying for a peaceful election. We don't want any, ano na in case BBM wins, we don't want any political crisis. You don't want any uh, civil war, coup d'etat, no? Or even Lenny wins, no? We are hoping na peaceful, no? O yun, tuloy-tuloy lang. Mahirap. We're in this situation na politics, no? Nakadikit talaga yun sa stock market, no? And I'm just hoping for investment grade, no? Kaya ang masasabi ko, during bull market, no? Experience ko yun, no? Used to work nga, di ba, as a fund manager and stockbroker before. Sarap mag-resign, no? Kasi bull market. Imagine, I use I spend around 1,000 pesos daily on lunch, ha? Sa bull market, ang sarap kumita. Pasok ka ng 1M, kumita ka, nag-up yung stock ng 20-30% in a single day, ah. Kita ka 200,000, no? Mag-lunch ka, no? 1,000 pesos lunch, tapos yung iba take home mo na. Sarap, no? Diba? Right now, no, wala. Even with any good news right now is an opportunity to sell, no? Sell on rally, no? So let's hope for the best, no? So yun. Once any ano talaga kaya connected 'yan, no? Hindi mo pwede maalis. You cannot remove politics from the stock market. Those but let's respect the our yun nga the opinion of our fellow Filipino. It's their right to choose, no? So we cannot dictate, no? But I'm supporting Lenny Robredo. I think she's the best person for the job, and I hope you agree, no? So let's go, no? Thank you very much for listening. Bye bye.